Today's house is located in Highland Park, but before we get to the drive, this is living in Northeast LA with Victoria.Munoz. I'm a licensed real estate agent with Compass of Pasadena. I recently changed brokerages, and let's begin our tour. So we're starting our tour in Alhambra. This is Main Street, which will merge with Huntington Drive, and from Huntington Drive we go through South Pasadena, and South Pasadena will take us into Pasadena, or excuse me, Highland Park. I was thinking about my office. So I'm now working at Compass of Pasadena. I've worked for the same brokerage for almost 7 years. I won't say their name, but I am now at Compass of Pasadena. So here we are off of York and Figueroa. Highland Park is one of the most coolest, trendiest places a lot of people are moving to for, I think, for the longest time. So it's had a lot of remodeling, renovation, gentrification. So the home we're looking at, it's a 1921 craftsman home. It's newly remodeled. It has modern finishes but with a vintage appeal. The address is 1110 North Avenue 54. That's LA, California 90042. The listed price is $1,175,000. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It's 1,048 square feet of living space. So if you're thinking about moving to Los Angeles, you want to consider Northeast LA before making any final decisions. If you work in LA and you have to travel, let's say you travel on the 10 or 60, or if you take the East LA interchange, the 110 freeway, 210 freeway, Highland Park is centrally located. So it's in between downtown LA and San Gabriel Valley. So here's the home. It's a beautiful home. It's newly remodeled. I did hear some people say when they were walking out that it was a little bit too small for them. So I'm assuming this would be a great starter home for somebody. It is priced kind of high at $1.1 million. So if you're looking to move to Los Angeles, you can always message me, Victoria Munoz with Compass of Pasadena. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you in NELA. Take care.